One of the most used medicinal plants is rosemary. Its properties make it perfect for digestive issues and muscle aches. However, rosemary tea is almost unknown. Let us introduce you to it. Rosemary tea has a very distinct aroma and flavor. Moreover, the different molecules it contains give it very interesting properties, which I'll tell you about in today's video. So make sure to stay until the end to learn about all the benefits a simple ingredient can bring. A warm greeting to everyone. I am Dr. Miriam Pius, a general physician with studies in alternative medicine. On this channel, I help people by providing information on how to maintain and recover health naturally before resorting to pharmaceutical medicine. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and clicking the bell down here to receive all notifications and be the first to see my new videos. Rosemary tea not only improves digestion and combats inflammation, but also acts as an excellent diuretic and hair growth stimulant. In this video, I'll tell you how rosemary tea can benefit different aspects of your health and show you how to prepare it properly to get the best results. Join me to learn how rosemary tea can support your overall health and how to prepare it effectively to take advantage of all its benefits. Number 1, it improves digestion. Rosemary tea can be taken after lunch or dinner, being useful to improve the digestive process by helping to combat acidity and excess gas. This way, it reduces abdominal distension, the feeling of fullness and lack of appetite. The infusion of rosemary has excellent tonic and stimulant properties. Thus, it helps improve problems like poor digestion, additionally promoting proper digestion. Rosemary is also used for intestinal problems as it has potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Due to these benefits, it's an adequate remedy for conditions like colitis, constipation, diarrhea, and irritable bowel syndrome, among others. The second benefit of this plant is that it helps with liver health. Thanks to its composition in ursolic acid, rosemary has hepatoprotective properties, making it an excellent natural remedy for both liver cleansing treatments and for improving some related conditions such as fatty liver, gallstones, or hepatitis. It also has diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties, thus acting effectively as a liver protector. Number 3, it promotes weight loss. Due to its composition, rosemary tea can become a great ally for losing weight. Including it in your diet for weight loss will greatly help you in your goal. Number 4, it controls diabetes. Rosemary tea is a drink that can also help keep diabetes regulated. This is because it can lower high glucose levels and increase insulin levels. This infusion can be beneficial for people with diabetes due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It's important to remember that consuming this drink should be done under professional supervision and doesn't replace medical treatment. Number 5, hair growth. Some of the benefits of this plant include improving blood circulation in the scalp, leading to stronger hair growth. It also helps dilate blood vessels to stimulate the hair follicles, making hair grow faster. The benefits of rosemary for hair are numerous, mainly due to its high content of essential nutrients, antioxidants, and revitalizers. We'll talk about some of the benefits of rosemary water for your hair, helping you achieve a healthier and more beautiful mane. Prevents gray hair. Rosemary for gray hair is one of the best natural remedies out there. This is because its stimulating function promotes the circulation of nutrients through the hair follicles, helping to reverse and prevent early gray hair, reduces hair loss. Another property of rosemary for hair is its ability to strengthen fragile hair and help it grow denser and healthier. It stimulates the scalp. Rosemary is an effective hair stimulant that also improves hair texture, giving shine, softness, and volume to dull and lifeless manes. Regulates excess oil. Rosemary also acts as a regulator of excess oil on the scalp, helping to prevent greasy hair and a dry, irritated scalp. It's a natural dye. Due to its high pigment content, rosemary water is ideal as a natural dye for dark and brown hair, as it completely covers gray and white hair. Number 6. Combats fluid retention. Rosemary tea is an excellent natural diuretic, useful in diets for weight loss and fighting fluid retention in the body. This tea increases urine production, encouraging the body to eliminate accumulated fluids and toxins, improving health. 7. Improves brain health. Various studies have shown the benefits of rosemary for brain function, being a great help during stressful periods like before and during exams, or before and after important work meetings. Additionally, rosemary's properties appear to combat Alzheimer's, preventing memory loss. It's a natural anti-inflammatory. It's excellent for fighting inflammation, easing pain, swelling, and discomfort. So it helps combat inflammation in the knees, tendinitis, and even gastritis, which is stomach inflammation. Number 9. Natural antibiotic. Thanks to its richness in essential oils and terpenoids like carnosol, rosemary tea is a powerful natural antibiotic. With these antimicrobial properties, this plant is suitable as a complementary treatment for respiratory diseases and digestive disorders like gastroenteritis, food poisoning, and sexually transmitted diseases. Thanks to its medicinal attributes, rosemary has antibiotic action, being more effective against E. coli, Salmonella typhi, and Shigella, which cause urinary infections, vomiting, and diarrhea. Number 10. Improves blood circulation. Rosemary has an antiplatelet effect, making it very useful for those with circulatory problems or who need to rest for a few days. In these cases, it improves blood circulation and prevents the formation of clots that could obstruct circulation. So a great recommendation is to drink this tea after surgery, for instance. I'll give you a recommendation on how to prepare rosemary tea. To make the tea, you'll need to have on hand 5 grams of fresh rosemary leaves and 250 milliliters of water. You'll need to add the rosemary to the water and let it sit covered for 3 to 5 minutes. Then, strain it and preferably drink it without sweetening. It can be consumed up to 3 times a day. While the leftover infusion can be used to wash your hair, it's crucial not to exceed the recommended intake. In conclusion, it's important to keep in mind that while rosemary is considered safe for most people, when consumed in moderate amounts as a seasoning or infusion, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional before using it as a supplement or applying it topically, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions or are taking any medication. As you can see, the benefits of rosemary tea are many, and it's very easy to acquire and consume. With this, we've reached the end of this video, but don't forget to share it with your friends and family to keep them informed about the topic. If you have any questions, leave your comment below and I'll be glad to answer it. Thanks for watching this video and see you soon.